10 best ways to lower blood pressure quickly and naturally. Can high blood pressure be lowered quickly? This is one of the most asked questions when it comes to hypertension. Some want to lower their blood pressure fast, while others want to know if there are ways to do it without medication. Fortunately, there are many things that can be done to reduce your blood pressure quickly and naturally. And some of these methods have been proven to work as well as prescription drugs with fewer side effects. So if you are looking to lower your blood pressure quickly and safely, stay tuned. Because in today's video, we will reveal 10 best tips. Before we continue, if you appreciate all the information and the research that goes into making a video like this, it does help out tremendously if you hit the like button. Thank you. And let's begin. Tip No. 1. Reduce salt intake. One of the easiest ways to lower your blood pressure quickly is to cut back on salt. When you eat salty foods, your body retains water, which increases your blood volume and puts extra pressure on your artery walls. According to studies, eating too much sodium can cause your blood pressure to rise by up to 10 millimeters of mercury. On the other hand, consuming less sodium can lower your blood pressure by 5 to 6 millimeters of mercury within just 2 weeks. To reduce your salt intake, you should avoid processed and packaged foods, which are often high in sodium. Instead, cook your own meals using fresh ingredients so you can control the amount of salt added. You can also use herbs and spices to add flavor to your food without adding extra sodium. For example, instead of adding salt when cooking, try using garlic, onion, ginger, oregano, basil, or thyme. Tip 2. Eat more potassium-rich foods. Potassium is a key nutrient that helps to balance out the effects of salt in your body. By increasing your potassium intake, you can help lower your blood pressure by reducing the amount of sodium in your body. Studies show that eating foods high in potassium can reduce the risk of high blood pressure and lower your blood pressure by up to 8 points on average. Good sources of potassium include avocados, bananas, sweet potatoes, spinach, beans, and lentils. But be careful, too much potassium can be dangerous. So talk to your doctor before taking any potassium supplements. Tip 3. Exercise daily. Regular physical activity is one of the best ways to lower your blood pressure quickly. When you exercise, your body releases chemicals that help to relax your blood vessels. This makes it easier for the blood to flow through your arteries and reduces the pressure on your artery walls. Another benefit of exercise is that it helps your body release excess adrenaline and cortisol, hormones that can make your blood pressure rise. In fact, according to a recent study, exercising for just 30 minutes a day can lower your blood pressure by up to 10 mHg in just 4 weeks. The ideal type of exercise to lower blood pressure is aerobic exercise such as brisk walking, jogging, swimming, or cycling. These activities help to improve your cardiovascular health and strengthen your heart muscle, which makes it more efficient at pumping blood around your body. It is important to start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. If you are new to exercise, aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Tip number 4. Limit alcohol and quit smoking. Both alcohol and nicotine raise your blood pressure and make it harder for your heart to pump blood around your body. When you drink alcohol, your body breaks it down into a chemical called acetaldehyde, which causes your blood vessels to narrow and your heart rate to increase. Nicotine is a stimulant that triggers the release of adrenaline, which makes your heart race and puts extra strain on your arteries. Over time, this can damage your arteries and make them more likely to build up plaque, which increases your risk of heart disease and stroke. Therefore, if you want to lower your blood pressure quickly and effectively, it is important to quit smoking and limit your alcohol intake. According to studies, quitting smoking can lower your blood pressure by 20 to 30 millimeters of mercury within a few days. Meanwhile, drinking no more than 2 alcoholic drinks per week can lower your blood pressure by 4 to 5 millimeters of mercury. Tip 5. Manage stress levels. High levels of stress can cause your blood pressure to rise by triggering the release of hormones such as adrenaline and cortisol. Chronic stress can also cause you to develop unhealthy habits such as smoking, drinking, or overeating, which can further increase your blood pressure. Fortunately, there are many things you can do to manage your stress levels and lower your blood pressure. One effective method is practicing deep breathing exercises. When you feel stressed, take a few deep breaths, counting to 5. Inhale with your belly, not your chest, then breathe out and count to 5 again. This can help calm your nervous system and reduce your blood pressure quickly. Other stress reduction techniques include yoga, meditation, and spending time in nature. Engaging in regular physical activity can also help reduce stress levels and improve your overall mental health. If you are finding this information useful, please let me know by clicking the like button below the video. Thank you. Now let's go back to the video. Tip No. 6. Eat a DASH diet or plant-based diet. The DASH diet is a well-known eating plan that has been shown to lower blood pressure effectively. DASH stands for Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension. This diet emphasizes eating plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, while limiting saturated and trans fats, cholesterol, and added sugars. In fact, following the DASH diet can reduce your blood pressure by up to 14 mmHg in just 6 weeks. Another great option is the plant-based diet, which focuses on consuming whole plant foods such as fruits, vegetables, legumes, and nuts. This way of eating is high in potassium, magnesium, and fiber, all of which can help lower your blood pressure. A recent study showed that people who followed a vegan diet had a 39% lower risk of developing hypertension than those who ate a standard Western diet. Tip No. 7. Consider herbal and natural remedies. While it's essential to prioritize lifestyle changes, there are certain herbal remedies that have shown promise in helping to lower blood pressure. One such remedy is hibiscus tea. This herbal tea is rich in antioxidants that may help relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. Studies suggest that drinking hibiscus tea daily can lead to a modest reduction in blood pressure. Another option is garlic, which contains compounds that can help widen blood vessels and reduce vascular resistance. Incorporating garlic into your diet, either raw or cooked, may contribute to lowering blood pressure. Additionally, omega-3 fatty acids found in fish oil supplements have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in blood vessels and support overall cardiovascular health. By including omega-3 rich foods like fatty fish or supplements in your routine, you may experience benefits for your blood pressure. However, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional before taking any herbal supplements or making significant changes to your diet. When to see a doctor. If you have high blood pressure, it is important to see your doctor for a checkup. Your doctor will perform a physical exam, ask about your medical history, and may order some tests to check your overall health and determine the best course of action. They will measure your blood pressure and check for any signs of damage to your eyes, heart, or blood vessels. Your doctor may also check your urine for signs of kidney damage, which can be caused by high blood pressure. Additionally, your doctor may order a blood test to check for other conditions that could be contributing to your high blood pressure, such as diabetes or thyroid problems. Once your doctor has a complete understanding of your condition, they will work with you to develop a treatment plan that may include lifestyle changes, medication, or both. Recap: lowering your blood pressure doesn't have to be complicated. By following these 10 simple tips, you can reduce your risk of hypertension and keep your blood pressure under control. Just remember to cut back on salt, eat more potassium-rich foods, exercise regularly, limit alcohol intake, and quit smoking. Managing stress levels, eating a healthy diet, getting enough sleep, and taking herbal remedies can also be beneficial. Seeing your doctor for regular checkups is essential to monitor your progress and make any necessary adjustments to your treatment plan. Don't wait until it's too late. Take charge of your health today and follow these tips to lower your blood pressure naturally. And if you want to learn even more about this topic, check out my other videos on high blood pressure. Thank you for watching today, and see you in the next video.